Hello, this is Vivek Huria, corporate chef from ANGT. So today we are on the next episode of Magic Miraya. You have already seen boiled chickpeas, how to use it, and today I'm going to show you the other three lentil range, which are boiled black chickpeas, boiled red kidney beans, boiled black gram. These are all 100% natural without any preservative. It is retort packed and very hygienic to use. Now, a lot of time what happens is when we buy these lentils from the market, we get stones or we have to pick up these stones from these lentils. So while using this, I am saving a lot of gas. I am saving a lot of big utensil which occupies my stove also in the kitchen, and there is a constraint of having sometimes small kitchen. So there are a lot of advantages of using this product. So it is very hygienic, it is cost effective, and it saves a lot of money for us. So let's start the magic. I'll show you how we make this with our Miraya gravies. So first of all, ghee, little bit, some jeera, and some dry spices first, red chili powder, coriander powder little bit, cumin powder, and I will use Miraya chopped masala in this, very little. I will make Rajma masala or boiled red kidney beans masala. Very easy and very cost effective. I am also going to use a little bit of Miraya green chili paste because I like my food spicy. See how fast? It's just a matter of 3 to 5 minutes when I heat up my gravy again and put this Miraya red kidney beans into this. So we have to use this as it is along with the water which comes inside the packet because it has been boiled in the same water, and we have to use for the full flavor of that. I will use little bit of water with my red kidney beans. My Rajma masala is already boiling. Little bit of garam masala, some chopped coriander, and ready to be served now. So convenient and so cost effective. So my next dish is boiled black gram. Now everybody makes dal makhani, but today I'm going to make a little different preparation of boiled black gram, and I'm mixing chana dal in that. If we go to Gurudwara, we get chana dal and black gram mixed into that. We call maa choliyan ki dal. So what I have done is I have taken out boiled black gram from the packet and I have put this, and I have boiled a little bit of Bengal gram or chana dal, and I'm mixing both of them together, and I will make this with my Miraya chopped masala. And I'm also going to use a little bit of makhani gravy for the tanginess in that dal. So let's start the magic again. Ghee. I always use ghee for dal and I like it very much. So jeera, a little bit of garlic, and in dry spices I will just put little bit of red chili powder, little kasuri methi and cumin powder, and that's it. some chopped masala, and a little bit of Miraya Makhani gravy. And today we are having a different preparation of boiled black gram. Just add a little bit of water and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. So my dal is ready. So convenient, so fast, and so cost effective. A little bit of chopped coriander, my favorite. Some ginger julienne, Miraya green chili paste, and my boiled black gram with Bengal gram is ready to be served. Excellent. This is what you get in Gurudwara. For today is boiled black chickpeas. This is very popular in eastern part of the India and also in southern part of India. The other day I had showed you how to make kadla curry, which is from Kerala. But today I am going to show you a North Indian style how to make boiled black chickpeas North Indian style. So for that I will use little bit of oil, some cumin seeds, chopped garlic, and some dry spices, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder, Miraya chopped masala, Miraya green chili paste. And you see my masala is ready, and I will put this boiled black chickpeas into this. And it looks absolutely yummy, very convenient. It's already boiled. You can see very beautiful grains of boiled black chickpeas. So my black chana masala is ready. Some coriander and some ginger julienne into that, and it's ready to be served now. So my all the dishes are ready today, can be made very fast and very cost effective to use. So I have used today boiled black chickpeas, boiled black gram, boiled red kidney beans, makhani gravy to little bit give tanginess to the gravy, and Miraya chopped masala, most versatile gravy. Enjoy.